Hello, good morning. It's Ted from the Devil's in the Detail. Today we've had this Vanquish Zagato in for a maintenance wash. It's gone through all the usual procedures, blow dried, and the PPF has now been coated with G-Technic liquid crystal. Seems to work quite well between maintenance washes, and the dirt comes off very easy. Don't see many of these on the road, and certainly don't get to have the pleasure of working on one very often. Only this one, of course. Limited to 99 cars in this coupe, and cost $1 million to purchase, which equates to about, I don't know, 800,000+. Beautiful looking car. I'll show you the interior. All the Zag trim. Beautiful. So there we have it. Another lovely car coming out of the shop. If you want to see the polishing that I did on this car, it's available on YouTube. My channel name's Ted Whitehall. Just put it in YouTube. You'll be able to see the series that I did of this car. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.